The protesters today taking issue with President Trump's mass deportation agenda, and it's been reported that ICE special response teams would deploy to 5 Democratic-led cities, including Seattle. Fox 13's Taylor Winkle has more on why immigration attorneys across the country are advising those who may be targeted to know their rights, documented or not.
Even some people who were born here tell me that they are worried. Washington is considered a sanctuary state. Law enforcement agencies are not allowed to ask about anybody's immigration status. They're also not allowed to pass information about undocumented people to federal immigration officials. Even still, there are reports ICE is detaining people without checking their status, and in some cases, legal citizens are being held for days. There's an estimated 325,000 undocumented immigrants living in Washington, but even more citizens who are documented and naturalized. One immigration attorney says those who are worried should carry identifying documents like passports, as well as bills and bank statements, things like Costco and gym memberships, anything with your name and a date on it that can prove how long you've been here. She says families should also prepare for home visits from ICE agents. If you have underage children, appoint a guardian for them and an emergency plan if you're detained. If an agent comes to your home, don't open the door. Ask to see a warrant signed by a judge with your name on it, spelled correctly. She says to even ask that agent to slide it under the door or show it through a window. Don't answer any questions, exercise your right to remain silent, and talk to an attorney first. Employers can make the same demands if ICE agents come to their businesses.
Unless we see a judicial warrant, we're not going to allow you into the premises. It's also an expectation of privacy because a company, regardless of whether they let the public in their doors or not, is still private property.
Many undocumented immigrants work and pay taxes here. The American Immigration Council says they account for nearly $90 billion in taxes. Immigration attorneys call the U.S. immigration system complex, outdated, and overwhelmed, making it difficult for many to gain legal status. I'll send it back to you in the studio.